One new Shepherd U1250 bed mill made in Taiwan, featuring an overall weight of 7,000 pounds. 70-inch by 15-inch table. 49 inches of longitudinal feed, 21 inches of cross feed, and 18 inches of vertical feed. Maximum table load of 2,200 pounds. Universal head complete with 50 taper spindle. The vertical head swivels into a horizontal orientation. Spindle speeds from 95 to 1,200 RPM, complete with inching button and 7.5 horsepower main motor. Infinitely variable feed rates and rapid traverse on all 3 axes. Two 23-phase electrics with CSA certification, equipped with movable pendant, hydraulic tool clamping complete with foot actuator, automatic lubrication, 3-axis Accurite digital readout, coolant system, halogen light.